Afi. Homowo 2024 brings a renewed spirit and a powerful mission to unify the Gadangbe people and reignite the Gadangbe Renaissance. The Office of Gamanche is committed to projects that unify our people and drive development. As a united people, we can empower our communities and provide jobs, creating a brighter future for all. Homowo 2024 features a series of activities designed to bring us closer together and celebrate our rich heritage. Thursday, 8th August, Sobi Homecoming. Experience the reunion of our rural and urban families at Bukom Square Park from 2:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Friday, 9th August, celebrating our twins with a special Christian service and the Ye Twins procession. Saturday, 10th August, Gamanche will perform the traditional Kpokpoi sprinkling across Ga. September, Gadangbe Homowo Derba and Kpokpoi Party. Celebrate with traditional presentations, showcasing our heritage and culminating this year's activity.
Menek bine ndumogan majiamancheme ana kelumoy konkume kengbele Ghana wenke shikpon ayehe odase ni egbla umanyakpa shadiakpa ke ekomefe momumo ke hagan ke dang bebi fe wagan jema wajin ke sisai ayabwao ni wo afi yeline afi wagan ke dang bebi ekome.
Join us and be part of the Gadangbe Renaissance. Yetra New Manyaba.